Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be transforming all of this, like completely. I thought it would be really fun to do like almost like an alter ego look or more just a huge transformation. I've been seeing a lot of videos of people during this coronavirus time like shaving their heads or changing something drastic about themselves. So I'm definitely not shaving my head. First thing we're going to start off with for this whole transformation is a nose strip. I'm using a Biore nose strip. Okay, cute. I'm going to do some whitening strips, and I'm using the Crest 3D whitening strips. Oh my god, nobody screenshot this, please. And for a very drastic look, I've been wearing my hair curly for a long time, I think since senior year of high school, and we're going to straighten it. I was looking at old photos of myself with straightened hair and I look so bad. Why didn't anybody tell me? Okay, I'm taking these off. They hurt. Ah. Yeah, I'm never doing this again. I think I have sensitive teeth. I'm gonna do touch-ups later because I know it's definitely not 100% because I did it in front of a camera. Ow. Jesus. Now I'm gonna use a makeup wipe to get rid of all of that. I'm gonna put on some moisturizer. I like to use this Nooks oil. Look how much I have left. It's a dry oil. And I just spray it into my hand, go like this, and then I pat it into my skin and neck. And my makeup looks really good with this on. You can also use this for your hair. Okay, now for the exciting part, we're gonna do my makeup. So I'm going to use some Laura Mercier primer. Okay, the lenses are in, which means that I'm going to be doing all of this with these lenses in. Contact lenses kind of suck. I of course got like cheap ones. So, I mean, they look so nice though. Imagine if my eyes were like this striking. My eyelids are primed and I'm going to put on some concealer. I'm going to be using the Too Faced palette Just Peachy, and I'm using Peach Tart, and that's a brown. So I'm just going to go in my crease and make sure I have that angle right there. And I'm going dark. So we're going to do some very dark makeup. And then I'm going to bring it a little bit above my brow. I'm definitely not a makeup artist, but I will leave a link down below to my sister. She does really good makeup. So I just wanted to get all of this dark, even if it's messy. If you guys have seen the show Sex Education on Netflix, first of all, it's really good. Second, I really love Maeve's makeup. From the Just Peachy palette, I'm also going to take Chocolate Dipped, and I'm going to use that for the corners. And for my crease. It's really hard to do my makeup right now because I can barely see. Oh my gosh. Now I'm taking from a Too Faced Funfetti palette. There's this black in here. It's called All Nighter. And I'm going to put that very heavily on my lid. So this is the finished messy look. I do want to do some blending still. But I am going to clean up the sides because I never was good at this part. Now we're going to do some foundation. So my face is already primed with a Laura Mercier primer. And yeah, I just want a lot of foundation. I usually try to put a little bit. Now I'm going to set it with Laura Mercier powder. So my eyes are done, except I'm going to put on some eyeliner, which I usually don't wear, and this is the Sephora Colorful Crayon Contour. And I'm going to take some black eyeshadow and rim my lower lid with that. Okay, so we're almost done now with the makeup. This is the look for the eyes. Let's get some mascara on. I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash. Okay, so I'm doing two things to change my lips. that is I'm plumping them. So I have these little cuppers. I don't know what they're called, but I got them for my face and I was doing facials with them, which was a lot of fun. Uh-oh, this will probably mess up the makeup around my lips. But anyway, I'm gonna be careful and I'm gonna hold it for like 20 seconds, I think. So let's try it. Do you guys remember when that trend was going around, like the Kylie Jenner lip challenge or something, and everybody was taking like these shot glasses? Those were painful videos to watch. Okay, so I shut off the camera for a little bit because the tool I was using didn't have that much suction to it, so I was like, okay, this is gonna take a long time. It's not really gonna work. So I left the tool on, suctioning my lips, I don't know, for like 2 minutes or something. Oh my god. Oh my god. It looks horrible. I don't know if I can like massage it and like get the blood to move. Ooh, I don't like how the top looks. This is my lip now, guys. Even as I'm talking right now, my bottom lip feels so heavy. It's like and look how weird I look smiling. Oh my god, this is bad. Something I also don't do with my makeup is wear lipstick. So we're gonna do some lipstick and it'll be fun. Now I'm gonna get dressed. I have this choker. So we're gonna do that first. Let's just put it on. There's my choker. Got it. Let's get dressed now. Wait till you guys see my outfit. Okay, so I'm done, guys. This is the finished look. I just FaceTimed my sister and my cousin there. She's like, Kayla, no, don't go out like that. I'm like, I'm not. Anyway, so green eyes, different than usual. I definitely have a transformation. Did a choker. This is my outfit. I didn't have a strapless bra, so I just tucked it in. But this is a bodysuit from Princess Polly. And then I have some ummmm or Princess Polly pants. I actually decided to complete this look with some sunglasses. That obviously defeats the purpose of all the eye makeup and whatever, but these are definitely like a very different shaped sunglasses than I would usually wear, which would be like cat eye or something cute and blue and bright. But maybe now I just look like I'm the Matrix or something. So this is my finished look. So you guys didn't see earlier, but I have these shoes on. They blend into my leather pants and they're just leather high boots. And they're cute. And yeah, this is fun. I'm like totally different. But anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for joining along in this transformation.